Samsung is getting closer to the stable release of One UI 8.5, and Galaxy S25 users may not have to wait much longer for the next beta update. According to recent information, the fourth One UI 8.5 beta update for the Galaxy S25 series could arrive as early as this week. This update is expected to focus mainly on bug fixes and overall reliability, rather than adding flashy new features. So far, Samsung has already released 3 One UI 8.5 beta updates for the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Each beta has helped refine the software, but users have still reported several issues since the third beta rolled out about 2 weeks ago. That is why Beta 4 is important. It should address many of these problems and bring the software one step closer to being ready for everyone. Reports suggest that the fourth beta could be released around January 19 or January 20. This means Galaxy S25 users who are enrolled in the One UI 8.5 beta program should keep an eye out for a notification very soon. Of course, the update will only be available in countries where the beta program is officially supported. If your device is enrolled and you live in an eligible region, the update should arrive automatically over the air. As expected from a later stage beta, One UI 8.5 Beta 4 is likely to focus heavily on fixing bugs. Users have reported issues related to system stability, animations, battery behavior, and small UI glitches in the previous beta. Samsung usually pays close attention to this type of feedback during beta testing, so this update should make the software feel smoother and more reliable in daily use. Another important change that could come with this update is a newer kernel version. While this might sound very technical, it can actually make a noticeable difference. A newer kernel can improve overall performance, system responsiveness, and security. It can also help apps run more smoothly and reduce random slowdowns. For many users, these under-the-hood improvements matter more than new features. Even after the fourth beta is released, Samsung is not expected to stop there. Reports suggest that 2 or possibly 3 more beta updates could follow before the final stable version of One UI 8.5 is ready. This shows that Samsung is taking its time to polish the software and avoid major issues when it finally rolls out to everyone. The stable version of One UI 8.5 is expected to launch around the same time as the Galaxy S26 series. Samsung's next flagship lineup is rumored to be announced in the last week of February 2026, with phones becoming available in the first or second week of March. This timeline makes sense as Samsung often finalizes its software just in time for new hardware launches. The Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26, and Galaxy S26 Ultra are expected to be the first smartphones in the world to run One UI 8.5 straight out of the box. These devices are also rumored to include additional features that will not be available on the Galaxy S25 series, even after software updates. This is a common strategy, as Samsung usually keeps some new features exclusive to its latest hardware. That said, Galaxy S25 users should still benefit a lot from One UI 8.5. The update is expected to improve performance, stability, and overall user experience compared to One UI 8. While it may not bring every new feature planned for future devices, it should still feel like a meaningful upgrade. If you are currently running the One UI 8.5 beta on your Galaxy S25 device, this upcoming update could be one of the most important ones so far. Bug fixes, smoother performance, and better reliability are exactly what most beta testers want at this stage. For those who are curious about what One UI 8.5 offers overall, Samsung has already revealed several new features and improvements compared to previous versions. Whether you are watching detailed breakdowns or reading change logs, it is clear that One UI 8.5 is shaping up to be a solid update. Now, all that's left is to wait a little longer and see how well Beta 4 delivers. If everything goes as planned, Galaxy S25 users could be enjoying a stable and polished One UI 8.5 experience very soon.